Hello guys, and welcome back, and I wanted to share my layout design with you for a small bedroom. This purple line here, this denotes the walls of the bedroom. If we roll in here, this 10:9 is measured along the x-axis. That's actually the longer of the two walls. The other dimension going along the y-axis is 10.5 feet, so it's not a very big room at all. It's kind of your typical standard spare bedroom size, but as you can see, we're making a lot happen in such a small space. If I roll in here, this is where the swing gate's going to be. I'm going to put it on hinges. It's going to be one complete unit for both the upper and lower levels. This is the lower level, by the way. If we roll in here, we can see these are some of the kit numbers for the Walthers kits. If you do a quick Google search on that, we can pull up. That's the salvage yard. Not only do you get this nice little picture here, but you can also download the footprint of the model of the kit, and it's very helpful for it gives you the dimensions, but it's very helpful for plotting up the actual building and seeing what'll fit, positioning and everything. So it's really helpful. This light blue line denotes the backdrop, which is going to be hardboard, which is the actual hardboard is going to be 16 inches high, but the separation between the two levels is 18 inches. It's got some building flats going along this wall here, partial flats. I'm still not finished picking stuff out for there. I've got my my turntable and my roundhouse, and this is another engine maintenance facility. And here's the Helix. As you can see, it's double line, ascending and descending. The radii on this are tighter than what I wanted it to be. The outside radius is 22 inches and the inside is 20 with 2-inch track separation. However, it being such a small layout, the rolling stock I'll be running on this layout will be small, so or short I should say, so I'm not really worried. I think it's going to be functional, but in order to access the Helix, you'll have to climb underneath the bench work here, and all this will be open so you can take care of derailments and stuff. I think I'm going to put a camera in here just to kind of monitor it and keep an eye on it. But the Helix winds, it ascends in a clockwise direction, which will take you to the upper level, which is this level right here. I'm still not finished putting buildings on here yet, hoping to at least get 4 industries up here. And so as you can see, it's going to have some functionality to the layout. I don't know if you guys remember, but on my first layout I scratch built a girder plate deck bridge. That's what this is here. It's going to be a small river right here. I want to be able to to use that, since I've spent so much time building it. Probably an industry in here, or here, and here, and maybe 2 more down here. Just kind of a rural town setting. But yeah, back into the Helix and then counterclockwise back down to the first level here. So let me turn on my bench work layer here. So as you can see, I've already got the bench work laid out, and I've been able to check for conflicts. Like where the actual switch motor is going to go for the turnout, so make sure don't have some type of support member conflicting with that. We will be using tortoise switch machines. The smallest, I think I mentioned this in the last video, the smallest turnout I have for the main line is a number 6, and then for the industry areas. I've got a couple of number 4s in here that I'm going to be using. So yeah, it's gonna, like here you've got it's 2 foot off of the from the edge of the backdrop to the edge of the front edge where the fascia is going to be. The fascia is going to be black, probably about 4 or 5 inches. Up here where I'm going to do the cutout for the stream, it might be a little taller than that. I don't know. I'm trying to get some variation in the topography on that upper level, so I'm still thinking about that. But I've got 8 fluorescent shop lights, so that should be adequate lighting, you know, for this layout for something this small. So basically 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. So yeah, that's the layout. That's how it's coming along. In the next video, I'm going to be starting on the framework. So I will see you in that video. Take care.